It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, beautiful day in the neighbors. Would you be mine? I don't know the song, but this truck is beautiful. Flawless. Oh man, no problems whatsoever. No problems at all. Wait a minute. What the What's up, guys? It's your boy Auto Lust, and as you can see, everything looks good on the truck, but those nasty curved wheels. So we gotta do something about that. And looks like something behind me. I've been doing a lot of stuff, and I really ain't been doing nothing for the truck. It's not just that one driver wheel either. It's all four of the wheels that's curved up. So, I think it's time to actually do something nice for the truck, do something nice for Stacy, put some stilettos on her, nothing too fancy, keep that factory look, just new wheels, new tires, and let me know what you guys think. And boom, bow, wow, there they go. These are a reproduction of the factory wheels. This is the rear wheel here, which is a 20 by 11. And this is the front wheel, which is a 20 by 10. You see this wheel here is it's not as wide as that one. I'm going to try to get them close to each other so you can see the difference in width without actually knocking them over, hopefully. All right, scoot that over. All right, about right there. All right, you can see that back wheel is a full inch wider than this front wheel. And when you buy these wheels, you can just go on eBay and type in BMW X6 wheel, BMW X5 wheel. And the wheels will pop up. This is actually blank. I ordered those also. The reproduction M logos that goes inside the wheel. I think I have an extra one over here so it's not flat. And the colors are like metallic. I don't know if you guys can see them shining in there. But anyways, not too much time on that. These are the wheels. I forgot the factory code for these wheels, but they come on the X6M, X5M, and a couple of other, maybe the M Sports. And for some reason, this camera is not working with me, focusing at all. But yeah, there you can see the offset and the width. And I'll go back over here. You can see the max weight, the width here in the top, 20 by 10, and the offset right there, 40. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these wheels taken down to Firestone. Like I said, I have lifetime alignment there at Firestone. And those guys know what they're doing with BMWs, especially with a tire and wheel size this wide. You got to keep your alignments, man. Like every few months, the alignment is going to go out for the simple fact that the tires are so wide. Like it's a 275 on the front and a 315 on the rear. Well, 275 40 20 and 315 35 20 on the rear. So yeah, so I'm gonna get these bad boys loaded up and get them in the truck and take them over to Firestone, and I'll let you guys see what they look like on the truck. Nice day out today. Grass green, birds chirping. Probably a turtle in the bushes humping a squirrel. Bye, y'all. How she look, guys? No more curb rash. The tires still got a little soap on them from the Mountain Balance, but she look good, right? Let's get a side shot. Oh yeah. That's that good staggered goodness I like. Super meaty tires. Nice chunky tires. And this truck rides a hell of a lot better than it used to, because both front tires were ball head on the inner part of the tire, so it was just very, very noisy. I didn't know what was making the noise. I thought it was like a early wheel bearing, something like a wheel bearing going out early, but come to find out, the tires were eating up on the inside, and they're so wide, even looking in from this side, look, you can't even see the edge of the tire on the inner side. That's how wide the front tires, and the rear tires are even wider than this. So, and nobody, I mean, rubbing your hand back there to feel for something, that's not a good thing, because if wire's showing, you begging to get your hand infected. Yeah, but she turned out real good. Turned out very good. Looks good with those little little emblems I put on there. These tires here are the Delonte Desert Storm 2s, DS8s. I mean, it's a pretty cheap tire, but I mean, compared to the Dunlop GT, Max GT, or whatever the hell Run Flats came on here, these things rides like a Cadillac compared to those tires that were on here. Those tires were horrible, literally. And I've heard nothing but good reviews about these tires. $275 in the front, $315 in the rear. Yeah, she looks good. I'm gonna get a far back picture. She looks great. And you guys want to see something weird? Look at the design on this wheel. And now look at the design on the Charger. Looks very similar, right? And this is also a 20-inch wheel, I think. Yeah, this is the 20-inch wheel. Firehawk GT tires, but they look so similar. It's crazy. Yeah, but if you guys have any other ideas, like I said, leave them in the comments and we'll go from there. That's going to be the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you guys.